Welcome back to New Look. Everyone has a desire of clean and neat hair or skin on your face, but there is some unwanted hair on your hands, legs, upper lip, lower chin and the jaws also. But you don't need to worry. Now I am going to show one DIY remedy to remove all these unwanted hair simply at your home. You don't need to go to parlors. Even you do waxing also, it will give back the hair. And if you do any LASIK or if you do any laser treatment, there is a radiation which is produced through the laser treatment. Again, after 1 or 2 years, the hair will regrow. But now I am going to show DIY remedy which is very helpful to remove all these unwanted hair at your home. To get rid of all these unwanted hair, I am going to use 6 materials. In that, the first one is basin. Someone call it as gram flour too. Basin powder, the turmeric powder, some honey, coconut oil, rose water. All these ingredients now I am going to show a remedy to get rid of unwanted hair. Again I am telling, this is basin powder, turmeric powder, honey, coconut oil and some amount of rose water. By using all these ingredients, now we are going to prepare this DIY. For this, take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of gram flour, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil, 1 full tablespoon of lemon and some amount of rose water to prepare a paste. Now mix all these ingredients thoroughly. Turmeric powder we are using here, it is an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It gives also skin brightening. It is having the skin brightening properties, as well as basin also is having skin brightening properties. Mix well. The turmeric powder is helpful in rid all these unwanted hair. After mixing well, just take some of the quantity into your hands and then apply. Now I am taking this and applying on my hand. Here I am having a small amount of hair, you can see. Apply in the hair growth direction like this. And massage in the hair growth direction as well, like this, simply. We have our unwanted hair at upper lips, lower chin, hands and on the fingers, legs and foot too. We women don't want all these unwanted hair, and especially at the parts of our underarms. We wish to wear all type of dresses, shorts, sleeveless, skirts. With this unwanted hair, we'll feel somewhat shy to wear all those. To get rid of all those unwanted hair, this tip is very helpful. After massaging, let it get dry. It will take 15 to 20 minutes or else half an hour. After getting dry, just peel this mask in the opposite direction of the hair growth. We have massaged it from top to bottom. Now peeling off, you have to peel from bottom to the top. Important and useful remedy to get rid of all these unwanted hair on your upper lip, chins, hands, feet, legs, whatever you have, especially in the part of underarms area. It is very helpful, and this pack also used to improve your skin tone as well. So try at your home. Comment with the results in my comment section, and importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Newlook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.